Hi everyone. Today we will see the threads concept in Java. Threads are used in the multi-threading scenarios and they allow a program to operate more efficiently by doing multiple things at the same time. Also can be used to perform complicated tasks. So there are two ways to create a thread in Java. The first one is by implementing the runnable interface. As you can see over here, I've implemented the runnable interface and I've overridden the run method. Another way is by extending the thread class, and you have to again override the run method and perform the task that is needed. Also, as you can see over here, there's a thread.sleep method with 300 as a parameter. So thread does not lose any monitors but pauses execution for the specified number of milliseconds in case of thread.sleep. Coming to the other methods of thread class, I mean for thread execution, the first one is the join method of thread class. Join waits for this particular thread to die and it achieves synchronization by making threads to wait until the thread has fully executed and terminated. So I have created three threads over here, T1, T2 and T3, and I'm starting the thread and calling the join method on the same. So it's T1.start and T1.join. Similarly for T2 and T3. So as I mentioned, it achieves synchronization by making threads to wait. So we know for sure that the first thread that is going to execute is T1 followed by T2 and then T3. So this is the output that we get. Coming to the other method, which is the yield method in thread class. Yield, it lets the scheduler know that the current thread is willing to yield its current use of processor, which scheduler may or may not pay. So this is kind of not sure that yield may or may not happen. So it is not much useful in the real-time application, but can be used for testing or debugging purpose for some rare situations which may occur in real time or for some race conditions. And because it's from the static context, we have to call it as thread.yield. The next methods are wait, notify, and notify all, which are part of the object class. I have not mentioned notify here, but there's another method which is notify. So in case of wait, it causes the current thread to wait until it's awakened. And awakening can happen by either notify, which will notify a single thread, and or notify all in case of if you want to awake all the threads. And if you can see over here, it is called from the synchronized context and it throws an interrupted exception.